You know how phones can record voice notes, but it always feels like an afterthought? Well, Mobvoi just launched something very different, the TicNote. The first agentic AI hardware built just for recording, organizing and thinking with your voice. It's not just a recorder, it's an AI teammate packed into something the size of a credit card. Let's see if this little thing actually lives up to the hype, or if it's just another smart gadget trying too hard. First, here's a quick look at what you get inside the box. Out of the box, it's minimal, no extra clutter. First up, you get a quick start guide along with a safety guide and warranty card. Simple, straight to the point. Then, there's a TicNote itself already sitting inside its PU leather magnetic case. Further in the box, you'll find a set of MagSafe rings. If your phone doesn't have a built-in MagSafe magnet, you can either insert one between your phone and the case, or stick it directly onto the case or phone for a secure magnetic grip. Finally, there's the magnetic charging cable, very similar to what you'd see with smartwatches. Simple, compact and easy to snap on and off. As you see, everything here feels focused and minimalistic, designed to quietly fit into your daily routine. Physically, it's about as small as it gets, roughly the size of a credit card. It weighs just 27 grams on its own, or 58 grams if you keep it in the magnetic case, light enough that you probably forget it's even there. It clips magnetically to your phone, so it's always around without adding bulk. There's a simple OLED screen, a power button and a switch to toggle between ambient recording and phone call mode. No headphone jack, no speaker, no distractions, just clean, practical design. How it works? Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds and you're recording. Press again for 2 seconds to stop. Ambient mode for meetings, lectures or idea dumps. Phone call mode captures audio directly through phone vibration but not Bluetooth or speaker calls, something to remember. Files sync over Bluetooth automatically or over Wi-Fi if they're chunky. Seamless enough that you can generally forget about it while it does its thing. And here where it gets crazy good. Once your recording hits the TicNote app, Shadow, the built-in AI agent processes them. It doesn't just transcribe, it summarizes, mind maps, searches, even deep researches topics inside your files. You can export transcripts, mind maps, summaries and audio with one tap. Shadow also generates aha moments, which are bonus insights you didn't even ask for. It feels like a better recorder and more like carrying around a mini productivity coach. In practical use, TicNote performs well across different scenarios: meetings, lectures, interviews, phone calls, podcast drafts, etc., even just dumping out ideas mid-thought. The transcription accuracy holds up nicely even with some background noise, though as always, the clearer you speak, the better your results. I tested it during a live workplace meeting with a builder and an engineer, exactly the kind of fast, messy conversation that's usually a nightmare to record. Overlapping chatter, health and safety jargon flying around, quick decision making. TicNote didn't just capture it, it understood it. When I synced it later, it pulled out a clean transcript, highlighted key action points like testing luminous tape for an emergency exit, built a mind map of the conversation flow and even generated a practical to-do list, all automatically. Honestly, that was the first real moment where TicNote felt less like a voice recorder and more like an AI teammate. I also put it to work during the making of this review. Thinking out loud, dumping all my impressions and ideas from testing the TicNote over the past few weeks, and when I synced it, it's transcribed, summarized and even broke everything down into neat sections I could actually use to structure this review. For content creators, product reviewers or even anyone capturing long brainstorming sessions, it's a serious workflow boost. It doesn't just collect ideas, it organizes them logically and saves you hours later. And it's not just locked to English. I ran another real-world test, a casual, noisy family conversation in Slovak, full of slang, quick topic switches, background noise, Funny enough, TicNote first transcribed it into Russian by mistake, but switching it back to Slovak inside the app took just a few minutes. Even with all the chaos, TicNote managed to separate different topics clearly in the mind map, capturing key ideas without losing the human flow of the conversation. That's what distinguishes TicNote from just another smart recorder. It doesn't just hear your conversation, it organizes, understands, and lets you actually use what you captured. You get around 20 to 25 hours of recording and 430 hours of storage within 64 gigs on board. That's pretty generous for something this small. The Bluetooth sync is automatic, and if you got bigger files, Wi-Fi fast transfer steps in. Cloud backups happen silently behind the scenes. No drama. Perfect for people who don't want to manually manage files every 5 minutes. It's not perfect. No Bluetooth or headset call recording, only classic phone receiver calls. There's no built-in speaker, so playback is through your phone. The AI Shadow features require a subscription after 3 free months trial periods, and it's $12.99 a month or $79 US a year. Is it worth subscribing? Well, if you lean heavy into AI summaries, deep research and mind maps, yes. If you're only after basic recording, probably not. At $159 US, it's not a cheap impulse buy, but compared to buying a smart pen, a basic voice recorder and a premium transcription service separately, TicNote actually saves you money, and way more importantly, it saves you time. For students, creators, execs, or anyone living inside meetings, this is a low-effort, high-leverage tool. So, Mobvoi TicNote isn't just another voice recorder. It's one of the first real examples of what agentic AI hardware can look like. Lightweight, focused, and generally useful for daily tasks. It's not perfect, and it won't replace more advanced recording setups for some professionals, but for those who need something simple, smart, and always ready to organize thoughts beyond just raw audio, it represents an important first step. Agree, disagree, drop your thoughts below. Thanks for watching, catch you guys on the next one.
Family Pop TV.